Hi guys, my name is Effiong Samuel. I'm a 3D animator with close to 10 years experience. So I have created a list of playlists where you could learn 3D animations from scratch, and this is for absolute beginners. So I created a tutorial from how to sculpt a character from scratch, how to create a stylized character from a base mesh, to how to rig and how to create your animations and bring it to life. So every week, each course will be going live every week. So one is live already. Take your laptop and your mouse and start your journey. Just take your time, and I promise you that if you follow these tutorials and follow these principles, you will be able to create your own animations or your own short film in months. Right, so this is not for professionals or for the pros. These are for people who do not know how to create animations, who do not have an idea but have the desire to learn. So I'm super excited to start this journey with you. So hurry now, click on the link in the bio and start your journey to creating 3D animations.